Hey you guys, welcome back. So I'm back inside of the Dollar Tree and I just kind of wanted to see what they had today. I'm gonna bypass the Halloween section right here because I think we've seen most of this stuff in my previous videos. So yeah, let's see what we can find today. Oh, I do see these cute headbands. There's a little cat. This one has a little pom-pom. You have the ears with the leopard. And then there's like, I think these are like zebra ears. Those are cute. What else is there? You got some glitter ears, silver, pink, and purple. Okay, here's some more of those cute little pumpkins with the stripes and the polka dots. But look at these little candle holders shaped like skull hands or skeleton hands. Those are cute. That's my first time ever seeing those. And then I see these LED skull lights. Oh, they got little lights in them. I don't want to pull the tab out, but they have orange. They have the skull in white. And then what's the purple one? Purple one, oh, kind of like a candy skull. Or a sugar skull, I should say. That's kind of cool. Oh, wow. They brought back the donut trinket dishes. Okay. So that's what those look like. They have the one with the sprinkles on it back there. They still have more of these. Oh my goodness, they got some new stickers and they are in different packaging. Okay, these say pop-up, crafter square. These are so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, there's a few, so let's go through these. So I see these. That kind right there. There's 14 of them in there. Let's see. Oh my gosh. I don't even craft anymore and I want to get these. Love those. Oh my goodness. Look at the food. Look at that quesadilla and that taco. Oh my goodness. You got some llamas. I'm holding all of these up. Look at that. You got some llamas and cactus. I think I saw one more back there. You got some butterflies and mason jars. Okay, so that's what I see on that row. Up here, you got these unicorns. Aren't those cute? Oh my gosh, love those colors. You got these little creatures. Oh my gosh, look at that. The coffee cup says take your time. Adorable. You got some dinosaurs. More llamas. Let's see. Ooh, and look at those. Okay. Cute. Cute. And then down here I see these. Now these have actually been in Dollar Tree, but it looks like they just put them in different packaging. The bottles. Those. Little stem glasses. Oh, look at those. Cute little mason jars. All different sizes. Those are cute. And then back here you got the perfume bottles. And down here, also in new packaging, is the gemstones, the little jewels. I see red, pink, purple, and probably white. Yep, white. And those you get 25 of them. Okay, I missed this one right here. Look at the coffee cups. All kinds of different drinks. That's cute too. Okay, this location does have some more of the Barbie stuff. This is the Skipper baby that I showed you. I don't think I saw, oh, it's a mess over here though. I don't think I seen these. Some of the shirts were like, I know there were different characters. I think I saw Superwoman and like Batgirl or something like that. But here's Looney Tunes. Okay, this one is super cute. Teen Titans. That is so cute. Yeah, I saw that one. The Batgirl. I have to put these back like that. I saw that one. The Supergirl. Here's one up here. Tweety Bird. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Let's see what else. And I think that's it for now. But I really like that Teen Titans. Oh look, they got some new squishy toys. Let's see, they got this little character. That's cool. A zebra. Look at them stripes. Oh, he looks like a monster, but he looks like the little character from, I want to say Yo Gabba Gabba. I don't know. I can't think of the cartoon. You got a cat. This little guy, whatever he is. And I think that might be it. A cute little lion. Oh, what is this? Top blocks. Oh, okay. So these are stickers that you can put on the little blocks that you can buy. Building blocks, block stickers. Use over and over again. 47 pieces. Oh, that's kind of cool. And it comes in the Halloween theme. So let me see. Yeah, like these kind of little blocks. I guess you can put the stickers on the sides of them. That's cool. Let's see, I see Halloween theme and police officer, and I think that might be it. Oh no, there's a ninja back there too. Okay, so they have the Rapid Brownie Baker, and now I also see the Rapid Macaroni and Cheese Cooker. Okay, in the middle of the floor, I do see some peach Cheerios, and apparently they got a few boxes of those. Okay, right here, this is kind of cool. They have the, I think it's pronounced Ione Lash Bar, and there's different lashes. You got natural 1, natural 2, 3, 4, and they say that they're faux mink lashes. You got wispy 1, wispy 2, wispy 3, 4, and then they got wispy drama 1 through 4. And then down here I see extra large 1 and extra large 2. That's kind of cool. I don't really wear lashes, but I'm kind of trying to see if I want to try wispy 1. Those ones kind of look a little natural. Those or the natural 1. Over here in the book section, here's a few that I see. What's Become of Her. A Perilous Undertaking. Thus Bad Begins. That looks interesting. And Into the Fire. Then and Now, Barbara Cook. You got those. A Guide for Keeping Chickens and Enjoying 5 Fat Hens. This one. The Quilters Hall of Fame. Sleeping Giant, How the New York Working Class Will Transform America. Okay. The Lost Woman and The Wicked Boy. And then down here I see Crossing the River, A Life in Brazil. That sounds interesting. And right here I see some new lip balm by Mentos. I didn't even know Mentos made lip balm. That's funny. This is strawberry. I see mint. My cat. I see berry. And there's also orange. Okay, you guys, so that's going to be it for the Dollar Tree today. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick walkthrough, and I'll talk to you all in my next video. Okay, bye.